Good day, guys. It's Christmas Day, and today we're out flying like our traditional routine. Every Christmas we grab a drone and we go out for a flight. Last year it was terrible weather. It was very cold. Today is kind of mild, and the sky is clear. There's not much snow. Whatever snow we got the other day is melting. Anyways, I just thought I'd share some of my flights for today and wish all of you a very Merry Christmas.
Decorated in town, among all the tinsel and lights, I'm strolling around, just wondering where you have gone to. Are you just around the corner or in Kathmandu? And whether somebody new, still I wish you the merriest Christmas. I hope it will be all that you dream. I have nothing but love for you. You can trust that to be true. Yeah, I wish you the merriest Christmas of all. I've built myself a new life from the ground up. A beautiful wife, 2 kids, and a dog pup. Still sometimes I wonder if you're near or off yonder, though I couldn't tell you why. But wherever you are, near or off far, outside my door or in some airport bar, I still wish you the merriest Christmas. I hope it will be all that you dream. I have nothing but love for you. You can trust that to be true. Yeah, I wish you the merriest Christmas of all. Girl, I wish you the merriest Christmas. I hope it will be all that you dream. I have nothing but love for you. You can trust that to be true. Yeah, I wish you the merriest Christmas.
Okay, guys, this was fun. We flew around that old water tower, and yeah, we flew down by the lake. We were losing some connection there, but we're sitting in the car too. But anyways, this was a blast. I hope you guys enjoyed that flight, and I hope the rest of your Christmas is as good as mine. All right, catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.